Kapatid, kamusta? Today is a Good Friday, a heavy day, but a holy one. Sa kabila ng sacrifices na ginawa ng Panginoon, kahit naghihirap siya, sa kabila ng sufferings, tinatrabaho niya yung redemption natin. Ang Bible verse for today ay magmumula sa Isaiah chapter 53 verse 5. Ang sabi ito, "But He was pierced for our transgressions. He was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on Him, and by His wound we are healed." Good Friday. Ito ang pag-alaala sa panahon kung kailan inalay ng Panginoong Diyos ang buhay niya para sa atin. Namatay siya para mabuhay tayo.